Hey guys, it's Zoshi back in the video today. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your programs on Windows stay in the same position when you sleep the computer, when the monitors go off and turn back on. So basically if you sleep the computer and then turn back on the computer, all your windows, if you've got multi-monitors for example, this is going to work best with multi-monitors, all the windows will appear back in the same position. And also if the monitor turns off because it sleeps, so if you've got your monitor to sleep after 15 minutes, when you wobble the mouse, move the mouse, and then the screen comes back on, all of the windows will stay back in the same position. Your Discord, your Spotify, whatever it is, will reappear in the same position. Now, Windows 11 and Windows 10, Windows 10 doesn't really have much of this feature. Windows 11 has a little bit, but it's not very good. So this is the definitive way that you can make those windows reappear in the same position. So then you don't have to go ahead and put all the windows back in the same position as they were before. So I'm going to be showing you that today. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your browser of choice, and this is it, persistent windows. So I'll leave the link for this, the GitHub Kanju California persistent windows. It's a program, as you can see, poorly named utility that persists Windows positions and size when the monitor display count / resolution adjusts and restores back to its previous settings. So if you're using multi-monitors, it's going to work great. And yeah, you just download the file. So go ahead and go over to releases here, and then go ahead and click on this and download. So you download the file, open it up. You want to extract this to somewhere such as a folder. So you just go ahead and just press extract and then choose a folder here. So you just click on this and then choose a folder. It's pretty self-explanatory, you probably know how to do this, but just extract it to a folder. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up persistent windows here, and it will open up the program. Now, if you want this to open with startup, what you need to do is press on the Windows key, go over to run, and then you need to start shell : startup, and then press OK. And then you'll have this persistent Windows shortcut. So basically what you need to do is you need to go over to this folder. So if I've got it somewhere on my document somewhere, but you need to go here, and then once you put it into a folder, now my Windows is just a mess, so I'm just gonna put it in music real quick just to show you. So just put it in here, go to folder, persistent Windows, and extract everything in there. Okay. And then what you do is just right click this and then click this and then click send to desktop. And then let me just open up my desktop icons. My desktop is really a mess. You'll have persistent shortcut here. Copy it, control C it, or right click and copy. Or you can just move it into the startup folder, replace it, or just put it in there if it's not already in there. And then that will be done. Persistent Windows will now start up with Windows when your PC starts. So if you go down here, you'll be able to find it, persistent Windows, right click on it. Now you have options in here to capture Windows to the disk, restore Windows from disk, capture a snapshot, restore a snapshot, pause and auto restore, try customize icon, disable it. Now all of these options you actually don't need. Since I've installed this software, I actually haven't had to use any of these options in here. The software just works just by itself and just does what it needs to do. The only thing that will happen is if you need to update the software, you'll usually get a notification to update it. You will get a notification usually. If you do need to update, you should get a notification to update it. But yeah, that's basically the software. So I can't really show you how it's going to work right now, but basically if you turn off your monitor and turn it back on again, you've got some windows. So if you've got OBS on your second monitor, you got Spotify on your second monitor, for example, if your monitor goes off, we turn it off, turn it back on, you'll be able to see that all of the windows will go ahead and go back into the same position. And yeah, this video has gone a little bit longer than I wanted it to, so I'll go ahead and wrap it up right now. But yeah, this is how you do it. All you do is just install the software and you're good to go. All your windows will go into the same position. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and near the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.